Hey crypto fam, it's BitGalactic here, your go-to for decoding the wild world of crypto with a decade of scars and wins to back it up. Big news, China's shaking things up with a weaker yuan and fresh tariffs. Could this spark a Bitcoin rally like we've seen before? Stick around, let's unpack this, drop some history, and see if your portfolio's about to pop. Hit that like button if you're ready. All right, let's dive in. China just devalued the yuan again and slapped hefty tariffs on the US, escalating Trump's trade war. Why is this crypto news? Simple. When the yuan weakens, Chinese investors often hunt for assets to shield their wealth. And Bitcoin, it's been a go-to before. Here's the deal. Experts like Bybit's CEO Ben Zhou are buzzing on X, saying a falling yuan could push Chinese capital into BTC, driving prices up. Arthur Hayes from Maelstrom echoed that vibe, pointing out Bitcoin thrives when fiat currencies wobble. Now, I've been in this game for 10 years and I'm seeing deja vu. But let's not get too hyped yet. Things have changed since Bitcoin's wild days. Back in 2015, 2017, the yuan dropped 11% against the dollar. Bitcoin? It skyrocketed from $300 to over $17,000. China was the king of BTC trading then, with exchanges buzzing. Fast forward to 2025, China's crypto crackdown since 2021 means tighter capital controls. But don't sleep on their underground market. People still find ways to stack sats. Here's some fresh context. As of April 2025, Bitcoin's hovering around 83K, stable despite trade war noise. That's wild for a market that used to swing like a pendulum. My take? Bitcoin's maturing, tracking traditional markets like US stocks more than we'd like to admit. But a yuan slide could still juice things up. Look at gold. It's climbing as investors ditch shaky fiat. Bitcoin could be next if China's wealthy get nervous. One thing to watch, China's capital controls are tight, so any BTC flow might be slower than before. Plus, volatility's lower now. Bitcoin's not the roller coaster it was. Still, if the yuan keeps sliding, I'd bet on some upward pressure. Keep an eye on exchange volumes from Asia. That's your signal. Let's rewind to give this some juice. In 2016, China's yuan was bleeding, and Bitcoin was the escape hatch. People were dodging capital controls, buying BTC like it was the last lifeboat. That rally wasn't just China. Global FOMO kicked in, but they lit the fuse. Compare that to now. China's share of BTC trading is smaller, but their influence isn't gone. Here's the kicker. Back then, Bitcoin was niche, with no ETFs or institutional players. Today, we've got Wall Street, BlackRock, and even pension funds in the game. A China-driven rally now could pull in bigger players, amplifying the move. But it's not 2017. Don't expect a 50x pump overnight. My gut says a 20 to 30% spike is more realistic if this trade war heats up. What do you think? Am I too cautious here? So what's next? If China keeps weakening the yuan, Bitcoin could see a nice bump. Think 90K to 100K by Q3 2025 if sentiment flips bullish. But there's a catch. If global markets tank, BTC might not dodge the fallout. It's not the safe haven some claim yet. My bold call? Watch for a short-term dip if tariffs crush stocks, then a rebound as China's wealth seeks shelter. Here's where you come in. Will Bitcoin rally big, or is this trade war just noise? Drop your price prediction in the comments. I'm reading every one. And if you're new to crypto, what's stopping you from jumping in? Let's talk it out. That's a wrap, crypto fam. If you loved this deep dive, smash that subscribe button and join our crew. We're breaking down crypto every week with no fluff, just real talk. Hit the bell so you don't miss our next drop. Got a topic you want us to tackle? Comment below and let's keep the vibe going. This is BitGalactic, signing off. Stay sharp and hodl smart.